Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today's recipe is Quail Humba. Humba is a sweet version of adobo. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Here are the ingredients of my Quail Humba: quail, onion, garlic, brown sugar, 7-Up, bay leaves, soy sauce, and ground black pepper. Now let's start cooking. In a cold pot, put all the ingredients. Quail first. This is very easy dish to cook. Just put everything in one pot and let the ingredients work their magic. Garlic, onion, bay leaves. This quail is just like small pigeon. Brown sugar, ground black pepper, 7-Up, and soy sauce. Stir, cover and bring it to boil. Now it's boiling, lower the heat and simmer. After 30 minutes, just turn them over so that the other side will get caramelized. After an hour of total cooking time, our Quail Humba is now ready. Serve with rice and enjoy! I hope you enjoyed the recipe today, and if you like it, then like it. If you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Hi guys, if you fancy a giggle and you want to see me jumping into a freezing cold swimming pool, click here. And if you want to see a preview of my cooking, click here. Thanks for watching. See you soon.